I am about to unbox our Color Street subscription box for, what is this, for May. Each month there is a different theme. We started in December and it's now May. Okay, oh my gosh, I gotta put my glasses on here. Okay, this one's Tropical Garden. You see how they're showing 3 different manis? You get at least that many. You get at least that many. Okay, so this is giving us a sneak peek. Each month is a different theme. So this one is Tropical Garden. And you know what? I can't remember next month's theme. I should know these things. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Oh, holy crap, look at all this. You guys, this is $30. It's always a surprise. Oh my gosh, I want to open. Oh my gosh, what is that? Okay. Ooh, okay. I am too excited about doing this. Anyways, $30. I mean, great deal. And that is shipped. That's shipped. There's nothing like what you get in these boxes. There's nothing like that on my website. This one's called Floral Notes. Can you see that? This is a whole set. Oh my gosh, this is a whole set. Because they don't always send whole sets. Like sometimes, like for instance, this was from a different box. I don't know why I didn't use that because it's gorgeous. But sometimes it's just like 2 in there, sometimes 3, sometimes 4. This one has 12 because look, there's, yeah, oh my gosh. It says, savor these golden tips with an orchid patterned shimmer dip. Interesting. And I'm already starting to think, okay, how can I use these? This one, I don't know how to say this. Lychee, rosé, lychee. Somebody tell me how to say that. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my gosh, another whole set? Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. A sweet shimmery coral that's bold and refreshing. Usually I don't like coral, but that is gorgeous. All right. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, next one is, it says Champagne Fizz. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is crazy. Okay, anyways. Ooh, oh man, I like that one. It says pour yourself a glass of bubbles with this gold glitter. Oh, clear overlay. Oh, okay. So this is just an overlay, which is super cool. That's even better. It's 2 sheets of 8 finger strips. Again, a full set. Oh my gosh. They're so generous. All right, what is this one? This one, oh, raspberry tart. Oh my gosh. I have never seen anything like this. Okay, let me just say officially, I am loving this. I realize this is not for everyone, but like I said, the first one that came out in December, it was for January. And so it was it was kind of a neutral, kind of a gold and black thing. I thought, that's not really my thing. It turned out to be my thing. How many is that so far? This is the 4th full set. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, calm down. Delight in the sweet light raspberry shimmer dip. I cannot wait to see that out of the package. Okay, and one more, as if 4 isn't enough. 5. Holy crap, you guys, they gave us 5 full sets for $30 total, except for tax, like $30 shipped. Ooh, oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see this. Okay, let me read it. A blast of rich matcha green, I don't know how to say it, with luxurious gold shimmers. Oh my gosh, that is not just a solid, can you see the gold shimmer? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Let's just recap just for a second. I don't want to make this super long, but 5 full sets for $30. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, so they give you a little one of those thingies. And let's see. That's just telling about those. Also, let me see. Okay, so here we go. Oh, you see this? It says scan me to see our application how-to videos. So they're giving you an idea of what to do. So it's like, do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? Do you want to do the other thing? Whatever. You know, you don't have to follow that, but you know, that could give you just some ideas. Anyways, you could just scan that with your phone and it'll take you right to the videos. And so it says, in this month's box, you're invited to Color Play's Tropical Garden Party. Indulge in an exotic paradise filled with energetic flora and lively colors. This box features vivid solids, a sweet shimmer dip, a rich orchid shimmer dip, and a glitter overlay to elevate your manicure. Follow any of the 3 suggested nail designs or create your own bespoke look. I've never heard that before. Anyways, oh my gosh. So this one's called Tropical Garden. Again, they are all themed and they don't tell you what it is ahead of time. What the heck is this, you guys? Okay, so what the heck is this? Bamboo coasters? Oh my gosh. And it says Color Street. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? That would be cute out on a patio or something. Okay, let me just read about it because I don't want to take it out of the package right now. All right, it says bonus item. We always get a bonus item. They've always been like, wow. As you can see, it's not always to do with nails. Sometimes it is. But it says, rest your beverage on these magnificent tropical bamboo coasters. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. This is amazing. I mean, one side does say, it says Color Street. You don't have to have it like that. But this is the other side, so you could just use them like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, in case you're wondering, this box is not available, but the next box is. And I'll look up and see what's the theme for next month, and then I'll put that in the description. So, and also the link on how you can get the next one. Oh my gosh, and all the details. Okay, I am so excited about this. All right, I will see you later. I would love it if you would leave me a comment, say hi, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.